Hello friends, in this video, I will give you a short. I want to give some information. As you know, Windows users. It happens to friends all the time. This has been a frustrating problem at times. What is this problem? Blue screen error. Why does the blue screen error occur? Where does it come from? I always do this. We wanted to know. I also get a blue screen error frequently. What's coming? This. Your computer, hardware or from the drivers on the computer, or is it from a virus that has entered the computer? Find the source. It's very easy now. In line with my research, I found a program like this. I have already given you the link to the program. I will share this. We enter the site and from here, this program we are downloading. Download free home edition, Bunu. We are downloading. I have downloaded it before. This on our computer. We install, then the installation, and as you can see, the program is here. And we're running it. And very simply, from there, up, from the section, analysis, we're pressing this round. And the program is one for us. He analyzes to give results. Like the four of you, the analysis results are finished. And in this part, as you can see, the analysis, there are consequences later on your computer by dates. The reasons for the errors. This writes in this way. The problem in my computer is the driver. As you see the problem. Caused by the Wireless network driver. A problem, probably, this driver. Delete it from my computer and install the latest version. Once I install it, the problem will be solved. You too. On our own computer, blue. What is causing the screen error? You can find it this way and get an idea. You can get it. Is the problem with the driver? If not, it originates from on our computer. Is this because of my hardware? Problem that causes blue screen error. You can find and reach the result. If our computer has a blue screen error, gives, and what if your computer won't turn on at all? The situation seems a little more difficult. Your computer, without backing up. Of course, you can restore from a backup. Restore from backup if available, is necessary, and a new Windows. You can also install. May be necessary. Some viruses enter our computer. He deleted some files on our computer, or hardware in your computer. Errors. Maybe and our computer. After assigning to the blue screen, may not open. These are often disk and drive errors. Originates from. I'm here to give you brief information. I wanted blue screen of the mistake the most caused by shortcut. I wanted to show the problem every different on the computer. It will yield results. Like I said, it's my problem. It is caused by the Wireless driver. I hope I could help. See you in another video. Don't forget to rate and leave a comment. I wish you a good day.